Hello and welcome to BMet. Today I'll be showing you how you can pre-enroll on any of our courses starting September. Pre-enrolling is a great way to start your journey with us at a time and place that suits you. If any issues arise while following this guide, please make sure to get in touch with the college on 0121 446 4545 or email ask@bmet.ac.uk. Firstly, navigate to the BMet website. Head to the course search page found under Courses and Apprenticeships, where you can browse the many courses we have at BMet. Select the course you would like to enrol on. Today I'll be using Applied Science Level 3 as an example. Once you've decided you would like to enrol, navigate to the Pre-enrol button on the right side of the page. This will be in the same location for all courses if you would like to choose something else, and each campus will have its own button. Selecting the Pre-enrol option will take you to the Pre-enrol portal. You'll be able to see the course you have selected in the top right-hand corner. Next, you'll be prompted to either log in or create a new account. If you already have an existing account with us, please log in with the credentials you previously used. You are able to reset your password if you've forgotten, or contact the college if you are having issues. If you've not previously created an account with us, please select I would like to register, where you'll be asked a few basic questions to get started. Once you've created an account and have logged in, you'll be on the Pre-enrol portal. To continue with your enrolment on your selected course, select Manage Course Selection. You'll be asked to confirm whether the correct course is listed. Select Yes if you are happy, or press Remove if you would like to select a different course. If you press Remove, you can navigate back to the course page by selecting the Pre-enrol option on another course and follow the previous information. Next, you'll be required to provide us with some information for your enrolment, such as contact details, previous qualifications, as well as some additional information such as residency status and if you require support with a disability or learning difficulty. The information may be pre-populated if you have previously enrolled on a different course, but please make sure the information is still correct. Please be aware that all questions with an asterisk next to them must be completed before you can move on. Each section will have a useful help box on the right-hand side to give you guidance to the particular page you are on. Once you've completed these next few pages, you'll be at the confirmation page. Please make sure you confirm the details on this page are correct before proceeding. You can select the tabs across the top of the page if you need to return and amend a specific piece of information. Once you are happy, click Proceed. Finally, you will need to agree with the terms and conditions of enrolment with the learner declaration. Press Submit once you've completed. You have now completed your pre-enroll application. You will receive an email confirming your application within 24 hours, containing lots of vital information and details about your next steps. This email will also contain your student reference number. We recommend that you take note of this number as it will be used to access your college email account and other services. You can now log out or review your BMet account using the account features in the top right-hand corner of the page. Thank you for listening, and we look forward to welcoming you to BMet.